Hello everyone and welcome back to Civilex. Today we have an exciting topic for all you green thumbs out there: seasonal landscaping tips. Landscaping is a year-round endeavor, and in this video, we'll delve into comprehensive advice to help your outdoor space flourish throughout every season. Let's start with the vibrant season of spring, where nature awakens from its winter slumber. Here's how to make the most of this rejuvenating time for your landscape. Clean up. Begin by thoroughly cleaning up any debris, fallen branches, and dead plants left behind by winter. Pruning. Trim overgrown shrubs and trees to encourage healthy growth, remove dead or damaged branches, and shape them for the season. Soil preparation. Evaluate and improve your soil's quality by adding compost or organic matter to enrich its fertility. Early planting. Introduce early blooming flowers, such as tulips, daffodils, and crocuses, to infuse your garden with vibrant color. Garden planning. Take this opportunity to plan your garden layout, considering what vegetables, herbs, or new additions you'd like to incorporate. Now, let's move into the warm embrace of summer. Here's how to maintain and enhance your landscape during the hotter months. Watering. Ensure your plants receive adequate hydration, especially during heat waves, by establishing a consistent watering schedule. Mulching. Apply a layer of mulch around your plants to conserve moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Pest management. Stay vigilant against garden pests like aphids, snails, and slugs, and employ natural or organic solutions to keep them in check. Lawn care. Regularly mow your lawn, but avoid cutting it too short, as longer grass helps retain moisture and resist weeds. As we transition into fall, it's crucial to prepare your landscape for the upcoming winter and ensure a successful spring. Leaf management. Keep your lawn and garden free of fallen leaves by raking or using a mulching mower to prevent suffocation and disease. Fertilizing. Apply a balanced, slow-release fertilizer to strengthen your plant's root systems and prepare them for the dormant season. Bulb planting. Plant spring-flowering bulbs like daffodils, tulips, and hyacinths in the fall to enjoy their vibrant displays when the weather warms again. Garden cleanup. Remove spent annuals, cut back perennials, and tidy up your garden beds in preparation for winter. Finally, let's discuss winter, when your landscape may appear dormant but still requires attention. Protecting plants. Shield sensitive plants from harsh weather by using burlap, frost blankets, or other protective coverings. Snow and ice management. Clear pathways and driveways of snow and ice promptly to ensure safety and prevent damage to hardscape features. There you have it, a comprehensive guide to seasonal landscaping that will keep your outdoor space thriving year-round. Remember, each season brings its own set of tasks and rewards, so stay engaged and enjoy the evolving beauty of your landscape. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Civilex for more in-depth gardening and landscaping insights. If you have any questions or want to share your own experiences, please leave a comment below. Thank you for tuning in and happy gardening.